You already know,
you
man.
already fucking know.
Motherfucking mob in here once again. We getting it in, man.
Let's go.
Nigga. Balls.
The top is just us, dude.
They ain't even understand me.
The top is just us. Smoking Newport now, so fuck with me. I'm remarkable, flow intertwined with philosophicals that leave me interested in adventures just for my mental. I go farther though, deep in the bitch just for instrumentals. Like a barber hoe, I cancel these tracks, I just get the clipping. Chris Paul the flow, make sure you get that. Mixed with a Griffin, relax, I rev up my engine. I injure them niggas limping. Simply just like my father, you simple just like your father though. Winning, you like a Simpson, yeah, you killing, you Orenthal though. We all sinning, but vision decided by how you living. And the pigs ain't lenient, cause your pigment resembles niggas. You're pimping your own race, but you killing your own race. How you diminish your own member, you really in last place. It really ain't worth the chase, cause you really just get replaced. In the distance just for digits, they just wanna embrace what they living, but it's ignorant, especially when you got kids and little boys and girls looking to you for their provisions. One of the realest in the game and will be till I die. A nigga got dope money and I ain't slanging no pie. I was raised to be fire, relate my cadence to blaze. I blaze and reacting with rage, I regain amazing. My tactics made to be proud and cherished and embellished. I write my name in the crown and you pussy niggas can tell it. Hating on the nigga, you pussy niggas is jealous. GMG alumni, ain't shit you can tell us, nigga.
They call me Young Fresh. Nigga, I'm the cleanest. Rose from the ashes like a motherfucking phoenix. Running to that paper, got a habit, I be fiending. I'm a paper chaser, I be grabbing all the green men. Money just be calling and the nigga can't resist. You see a nigga ballin', man, they taught me how to pitch. Trigger finger tend to itch. When I'm deep up in the midst, I switch the situation quick. I switch the clip and let it rip. See, we back up in this bitch. Yeah, we back up on that shit. It's pressure, rare, fresh, bitch. And every shell catch, bitch. I drop a little skrilla, them killers will come and find you. Look up in the mirror, them niggas is right behind you. Let me remind you, you rockin' with the best. I still bring that iron through, you niggas disrespect. And I'm thumbing through a check, got my dollar signs up. And you better hit the deck when the llama rise up. Get you traumatized, bruh, you can come and find us. We ain't hiding, we be riding on the other side, bruh. With the semi, I get busy, boy, I'ma spit it till I'm dizzy. In my city, it's a pity, boy, them niggas, they get gritty. You can check my resume, from New Orleans to the Bay. Tommy sorta every day, press record and let it play. All you niggas know is me, all I do is show my teeth. I wear the nigga, rest in peace, you never get the best of me.
Deep in the fine signs of hip-hop, you will find the mind. Deepest mind, feel capacities of rhymes. I cause catastrophes every time I critique. Every line I kill them with prestigious rhymes. I shine because I grind. GMG is our time, but time we won't waste. We can't switch up the pace, we gotta finish off the race. I got a big lunch plate, I'm just hungry to eat. All I know is first place, I spar with the elites. Niggas can't see me, so they hate on my style. It's so amazing, it's crazy. I've been blessed as a child, been the leader of the crowd. Follow me and get wild on the road to success, but this journey been foul. Still I managed to smile, I'm ahead of my time. I jump from last to first place, capitalizing my grind. I'm thankful for every day, I'm a star in every way. I shine brighter than sun ways, I'm a blazing heat wave on the mic. I give it all I got each night. I stand tall in the storm, I weather the rainy nights. I blink twice just to see I'm still amongst the living. My third eye open, it's crazy. From this vision I envision to be the great. I'm to do whatever it takes and enjoy your success. Come with a little hate, you know.
Come with a little hate, nigga. It always do GMG shit, nigga. Bang. Bang, bang.
Bang, bang, bang.